So I got this palette for like 12 bucks at a Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and it is just a basic face and body paint that also happens to be Blacklight reactive. I'm using a thin tapered makeup brush. And I am going in and beginning with my winged cat eye. I like to do big dramatic wings for this look, as well as outlining my entire eye. It's very dramatic and makes your eyes pop. You can really use any tool you like to do your eyeliner. It could be a makeup brush, a paintbrush, or any other type of tool. This brush that I'm using does get some paint on my eyelashes, but that's perfectly fine because later on I'm going to be painting my eyelashes and getting them as glowy as possible. Once you're satisfied with your eyeliner, we can move on. I like to do the eyeliner first and then go ahead and do the rest of my face, starting with my lips. That way the eyeliner can go ahead and dry completely before I come back and do my eyelashes. I begin by outlining my lips like I'm using lip liner. I'm even using this same brush, but you can switch tools if you'd like to. Once you're satisfied that your lips are opaque and glowy, I like to move on to my eyebrows. Again, I'm still using the same brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. As you can see, it's very versatile. Of course, I am rinsing it off between colors. Just like whenever you normally do your brows, I like to start from the outside arch and work my way in. Finally, we can go ahead and get started on our eyelashes. I am still using this same brush to just paint each lash individually and get it nice and coated. I also like to use a clean mascara wand that I have washed and dried. As you can see, I'm using the brush to paint the color onto the mascara wand. And then I go ahead and use the wand to apply the paint to my eyelashes, just like you would normally do with mascara. I definitely suggest using different tools to apply this product and figure out which one works best for your eyelashes. I like using both the brush and the mascara wand, and I go back and forth to really fill in and coat every single eyelash. Now, just a disclaimer, this is only advertised as body/face paint. It's not makeup, and I definitely would not suggest getting this in your mouth or your eyes. I do put it on my lips and on my eyes, but I'm being really careful not to actually get it inside my mouth or inside my eyeballs. So I would really suggest not lining the inner side of your lips, not eating or drinking while you have this makeup on, and also not trying to line the inner waterline of your eyes. Now this is where I finish with my look. I think the perfect final touch to add would be colored contacts, especially ones that glow in the dark or reflect UV light. However, I cannot wear colored contacts, so I have to rely on Photoshop after the fact. But if you can, I would highly suggest going and getting yourself a pair of cool colored contacts to really polish off this look. I hope you had fun with this tutorial and you fall in love with Blacklight as much as I have.